This marks the end of the first rainfall season, but as well the starting of the harvesting period. What was planted in the first rains has matured, and now it is time to harvest. However, for northern Uganda, JJA is a continuation of the rainfall seasons. This is the general forecast. Overall, JJA 2024 rainfall forecast indicates that northern parts of the country are expected to receive near normal to above normal rainfall. Northern Uganda is experiencing continuous rainfall, but the South Uganda, below the equator, is experiencing dry conditions. I begin with the southwestern, the part of the highlands. This includes districts of Kabale, Kisoro, Rukungiri, Kanungu, Rubanda, Lukiga, Kisolo, and Abuhweju, including Shema, Rampala districts. In this region, it will mostly experience dry conditions, which are expected to continue up to mid-August, when isolated showers are expected to continue until the end of the forecast period. When we come to southern western, the lowlands. The lowlands of southwestern include Mbalala, Kiruhura, Kazo, Ibanda, and Intungamo. This region will experience mostly dry conditions, which will continue up to early August, when isolated rains are expected until the end of the season. When we come to the Rwenzori sub-region, we have the districts of Kasese, Bundibujo, Mtoroko, Kabalole, and Bunyangabu. The region will experience mostly dry conditions, which are expected to continue up to late July, when isolated showers are expected until the end of the season. That is late July, that's up to late July. Then we come to central parts of the western region. This includes the districts of Masindi, Bulisa, Hoima, Kikube, Kakumiro, Chenjojo, Chegegwa, Kamwenge, Itagwenda, Kagadi, and the Kibale districts. This region is expected to experience dry conditions, which will continue up to the late July, when isolated showers are likely to set in until the end of the season. Likewise, the central region, it has the western part, the northern part, the southern part, and the northern part. So, the western areas of the central region, this includes the districts of Nakasongola, Luwero, Chankwanzi, Kakumiro, Kasanda, Nakaseke, Kiboga, Mubende, Sembabule, Yantonde, and Rakwai districts. This region will have dry conditions, which are expected to continue up to early July, when occasional showers are likely to set in until the end of the season.